Are you ready for a recall? Discover if your facility can truly handle a mock recall situation with this comprehensive guide. Mock recalls aren't just compliance exercises. They're essential to ensuring your readiness in the face of real-world scenarios. My name is Felicia Liu, and I am a registered SQF consultant helping businesses with their SQF program compliance. Let's dive right into the essentials of executing a successful mock recall under SQF guidelines. First, ensure you have a detailed, written recall procedure that outlines every step, from identifying the affected product to communicating with stakeholders and regulatory bodies. Start the mock recall by selecting a product batch at random. Test the traceability of the product through your entire supply chain, from suppliers to the final destination. The goal here is to verify that you can effectively track and recall the product within a specified time frame, often 2 to 4 hours. Document each step meticulously. Your records should include the mock recall's initiation time, actions taken, who was involved, and the results. This documentation is crucial for evaluating your facility's effectiveness and demonstrating compliance during audits. One of the key points to observe in a mock recall is communication efficiency. Evaluate how quickly your team can notify relevant parties, including internal stakeholders, customers, and potentially affected partners. Communication should be swift and precise to mitigate any potential impact. Analyze your recall plan's effectiveness. After completing the mock recall, conduct a debriefing session with your team. Identify what went smoothly and where improvements are needed. Use this feedback to update your recall procedures and training programs. Don't struggle through a recall alone. Ensuring your team is prepared and your processes are effective is critical to minimizing risk. Our experienced SQF consultants are here to guide you. Avoid costly mistakes and enhance your recall readiness by contacting us for a strategy call. Call us at 123-651-32488 today. Being prepared is your best defense against recalls. Strengthen your strategy and protect your brand with expert advice.